Hi everyone. This part of the learning plan is where we dive a little deep into some of the skills that are needed when you go to work in a specific job or enter a career path. And they're really talking about hard versus soft skills. And we are going to be discussing, you'll see that there's a presentation there, and we're going to be discussing the differences between hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills, for example, are things like computer skills or knowing how to put something together or, being able to write or speak. Soft skills are a little bit different. Those are, can you work collaboratively? Are you a problem solver? How are you with critical thinking? So those are things that are not tangible. Those aren't things you can touch. So rather than a skill that you can actually perform, they are things that are a little bit more abstract. So we're going to talk a little bit about that, and we have a little video. We also have a short activity to complete that will help you identify where you stand with those. We also have a couple articles that will help you with regard to not only with identifying soft skills, but also projected job openings between 2019 and 2029. So right in the time frame that you guys are going to be entering the workforce. We will be doing a note-taking activity using that article, so just be prepared for that. The next, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, you do have some familiarity with that. We used it with our last learning plan. So we're going to just explore the handbook a little bit more. And you're going to be doing that in really a smaller group setting. And I'm going to put you all in breakout rooms. That's the plan, where you can start deep diving into some of the career pathways and identifying some of the careers that you might be interested in. Finally, there's a short video on conducting research. That is something that I would highly encourage you to view. It's always great to get some tricks and tips for not only research but putting projects together. So anytime I have a link on a learning plan, I really highly encourage you to check it out. The next video that we're going to have in this section is going to connect to the presentation directly in case you miss class or you're absent or you want to review the content. So thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.